Every day starts with water. It sustains us, shapes our routines, and connects our communities. We build our lives around it. From the moment we wake up, water is part of everything we do. Here in Central Florida, water is at the heart of how we live, work, and play. But there's more to the story than what we see at the surface. What many people don't see is where that water comes from. In Florida, clean water rises from deep underground at our springs and flows out to the rivers, lakes, and places we know and love.
In Central Florida, water isn't just part of our lifestyle. It supports our communities, agriculture, tourism, economic growth, and small businesses.
As more people call Central Florida home, we all depend on the same water. Planning for that future means looking at the whole picture, together. That's where the Central Florida Water Initiative comes in. It brings together water managers, scientists, and communities, working across boundaries to protect a shared water supply.
Our job is to understand how much water the Upper Floridan aquifer can provide and how to use it without stressing the natural places people care about.
We work with our regional partners on large-scale projects to make sure we meet the water supply needs of our population today and in the future.
One example is the Taylor Creek Reservoir, which provides drinking water and supports agricultural irrigation in Central Florida. Expanding the reservoir could deliver up to 54 million gallons of drinking water per day to utilities, strengthening regional water security through a strong public-private partnership.
In Polk County, we're working with the Polk Regional Water Cooperative to develop 2 Lower Floridan aquifer well fields that will produce 22.5 million gallons of water per day and ensure a sustainable water supply.
Another example is Cypress Lake, a multi-jurisdictional Lower Floridan aquifer alternative water supply project being developed by the Water Cooperative of Central Florida. This project will provide 30 million gallons of water per day, ensuring a sustainable water supply for their users.
Projects like these, combined with conservation and long-term planning, show how partners are working together to protect the water people count on every day. Through regional collaboration, we're planning ahead, identifying smart water supply projects and conservation solutions, so growth and the environment can thrive together. In Central Florida, partners are working together through the CFWI, investing nearly $400 million over the past 5 years in alternative water supply projects, delivering almost 89 million gallons of water each day. Looking ahead, water conservation remains the most important and most cost-effective solution for individual and permitted users to meet future demand. Paired with strategic water supply projects, these efforts will more than meet future water needs while continuing to protect our water resources. When you know where your water comes from, it changes how you see it. It becomes something to care for and something we all have a role in protecting. Small choices make a difference. Conserving water at home, following irrigation guidelines, and supporting conservation. When we pay attention and do our part, protecting water becomes something everyone can do. Because the water we share connects all of us.
The Central Florida Water Initiative is about protecting the source so that the water we need to support our communities, our lives, and our future growth is there when we need it.
The Central Florida Water Initiative. Water for tomorrow.